Okay. Oh, what the heck? Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, tag away, tag everything. First of all, thanks to all the subscribers, whether you are the OG subscriber or the new subscriber. Thank you. Right now we're at 984 subscribers. Almost 1k. Let's go. 1k subscribers, please. So today is not a tech video. It's a food video, which is I'm gonna eat this Nissin Kitsune instant udon ramen. Okay, Kitsune in Japanese means fox. So I don't know why they named their udon as fox. But anyway, let me unbox it to see what's inside this Kitsune udon ramen. Yeah. I never tried an instant udon before. This is my first time. And the calories intake for this one is 420 a day.
Yeah, boy.
You will get like a fried tofu, as you can see the packaging outside. Fried tofu. Okay. Ooh, I like the sound, like so satisfying, huh? ASMR. It comes with different variant. There's a powder version and a liquid version for the soup lah. This one is the powder version. So you get the powder, and I believe this one is the chili powder. So you can tear it into half, like what I'm gonna do right now. There's a instruction, arrow. So you tear it from like this, top to bottom. Very convenient. I really like how Japanese pack their stuff. The packaging is really good, convenient. And oh, look at that. Look at that. So huge, man. Can cover my eyes, yeah. I watched their TV commercial about this. The TV commercial, the main character will take this fried tofu and kiss it. And very creative, very funny. Why you want to kiss a tofu, like fried tofu? Because you are forever alone or whatever. Later I'm gonna do it, see what's the feeling after doing it, like kissing the tofu. Again, the noodle, as you can see, is not your typical udon. The traditional is like the thick and rounded one. This one is the flat one. Okay, the flat one, like looks like banh mi to me, the banh mi is like flat noodle, very famous in Malaysia, banh mi. And you also get like what is this? I think it's a fish cake. Okay, very small fish cake, Japanese fish cake. And that's it. I'm gonna cook it. This requires 5 minutes to cook. Hot water inside and cover up. Be right back.
5 minutes later.
So I just finished cooking. Look at that. The fried tofu quickly expanded. Like this huge, attractive tofu. I'm gonna eat it very soon. I'll kiss it. Okay, the soup. Let me try the soup first before I eat the noodles. The soup, the broth is so thick. The fragrance, I can taste the fishy taste. The fresh fish, not those bad fish smell. And the broth is made out of dashi, soy sauce and mirin. Okay, based on my research. And the noodle, like I said earlier, is the flat one. It's not your typical udon, thick one, rounded. Actually, I prefer the flat one. Yeah, I don't really like the rounded one. It's just not my cup of tea. And this one, I really like it. So without further ado, let's slurp it, eat it. Okay, try it. The noodle first. The fox udon. I think I cook it for too long, a bit too soft. But I like the texture. It's so, it's so smooth and slurping. Really good for slurping. The noodle absorbs all the broth flavor into the noodle. Every single bite you can taste the broth. Really good. I really like the noodle. So right now, let me try the fried tofu. Look at that. Okay. How the main character kissed the tofu. He grabbed it like this, and then he kissed it like this, using this angle. I don't know why he did it. It doesn't make any sense. It's just I think a gimmick, a stunt. I don't know. It's silly to me to kiss the tofu, but I still did it. Eat it first. Oh, it's sweet. Just like your typical fried tofu, the sweet one, you know, when you go for Japanese food, sushi, they will use this. It's sweet, it's chewy. This tofu is like a sponge. Absorb all the broth, all the goodness, all the concentrated flavor into the tofu itself. Really good. Okay, eating montage. Yeah. Okay, so this is the fish cake. Okay, as you can see, fish cake made out of cod. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Drop it! No, no. Oh no! Whatever. I still got one more piece. Yeah, another one. I'll make sure this fish cake won't drop it again. Tastes like fish cake, yeah. Nothing really special about the fish cake. The fried tofu is really good. The price is around 850 to 9 ringgit, and for the marks, I will give it 4.5 out of 5. It's really good, worth of trying. The broth is so thick, so strong. I really love the taste, and the noodle, I like flat noodles. It's really good. You should give it a try. So that's about it, guys. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification whenever I upload a new video. Share to your friends and family, comment down in the comment section below. Buy me a coffee if you want to support me. I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.